student. In this slide, I will explain to you about Instagram. Instagram, or be known as IG, is actually the famous social media platform in the world. And then it is also the champion of all social media platform. In June 2018, this social media platform reached 1 billion monthly active users. And then in 2017, they only have 800 million active users. As you can see that the growing of Instagram is very huge. And then right now the people love to using Instagram compared to other social media platforms such as Facebook or Twitter. There is a research by Pew Research Center mentioned that 35% of US adults utilize Instagram for marketing as well as personal use. This is very common thing. You can use Instagram to launch your business very easy. Most of the Instagram user is between 18 to 29 years old. And then this is very, very powerful and targeted customer, because at this range of age, if you want to launch a business, this is very, very important geographic, demographic age that you must achieve. Based on the data also mentioned that 63% of Instagram user log in once per day. 200 million of Instagram user visit business profile every day. There are 200 million Instagram user using to this. There are 75.3% of business owner will use Instagram in year 2020. Based from the Apple App Store, is it the most second download app in the Apple App Store? 89% of the user as the Instagram are outside US. Mostly people at the US, previously they prefer Instagram. Right now, I think the demographic changing, they move to the Snapchat. You can see the features in the Snapchat is also similar with the features in the Instagram. The data also show that average user spend around 28 minutes per day at the Instagram, because Instagram show the image, so you will go there and then browse to all the image there, and then you will spend more time at the Instagram compared to the other platform. Next is how you want to utilize Instagram in the social media marketing and also for your business. The first one, you must create Instagram profile by asking this type of question. What the purpose of this profile? Whether you want to create a profile for yourself or whether you want to create a profile for your business. If you want to create profile for your business, what is your niche? What kind of business that you want to do at the Instagram? Whether you want to do selling a perfume, whether you want to do a product that is selling gardening, or you want to sell a car over there. So what is your niche? What you should expect? And if you want to follow someone, if you want to ask someone to follow you, what do you expect to give? What the information that you want to give? So this is the thing that you must ask yourself. And then also, always optimize your image. This is very important in the digital marketing, you must post a very beautiful image so that the people will like and then they can follow you. Next, you can create a remarkable caption to market your business. What kind of caption or maybe hashtag that related to your business? You can also post motivational post or motivational video. This is very interesting so that the people will watch your video and then also watch your image. And then you can create behind the scene post. For example, you want to sell a product. You create a video how the development of the product be made so that the people will know that, oh, this is what the ingredient, what the product be made, where you get the resources. So this is behind the scene post. And then the content post, mostly you post about the content, about what the new thing that you do today, what kind of information that you want to share. And then you can also create a video post using a boomerang, or you can record Instagram story or IGTV. This is also the interesting features, just like in the Snapchat. Make sure also use hashtag. This can increase your brand and also give free advertising to your business. It should be noted here that the best time to post at the Instagram is on Monday and Tuesday, around 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. This is based on the research being done. If you want to post at this time and then post at this date, post at this time period so that you can get more engagement. On Sunday, it is very difficult to get engagement because at this time, maybe the people love to hang around with their family. So on Sunday, there will be a less engagement. So how you want to monetize, how you want to make money from this social media platform? I'll give you a few techniques how you want to do a monetization using the Instagram. First one, you can become influencer. For example, you have a lot of followers, you have 1 million followers, or you have 100 million followers, just like Kim Kardashian. So you can become a famous influencer in the world. So all your content will be sponsored by the company or the brand. This is one of the techniques being used by the famous influencer. If you not have a lot of influencer, for example, you have around 20,000 followers, you can also make money from that. Just like you, maybe it depends on how much that you want to charge. Next, you can become affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketer. You can make money from the affiliate product. For example, you can promote a specific product. For example, you want to promote cosmetic product. So you can enroll to become their affiliate agent. So based on the transaction that happen, so the company will pay you a certain amount of money. Number 3, you can become entrepreneur. You can sell your own product. You can create and sell your own product. This is also one of the techniques being used by the famous influencer, because you already have a very big fan base. So this is very easy to selling your own product. For example, here I give you Kylie Jenner. It's report to become the billionaire, the youngest billionaire in history, because she using social media platform and she also come up with her own product, which is the cosmetic brand. So this is very powerful technique. You can launch your product and then become entrepreneur, successful entrepreneur, just like Kylie Jenner. Next, we are going to explain to you what is the pro and cons Instagram in doing business. The first one I'm going to explain about the pro. The pro of it, you can use Instagram to drive traffic to your website. Next, increase visibility of your profile. And then next, increase brand awareness. For example, you promote brand so the people that follow you will get, oh, this is the brand that you promote. This is type of new brand in the market. So the people will get an knowledge. This is very good because it target specific audience. For example, you want to target a specific audience that buy a cosmetic product. This is very good platform using the Instagram. Besides this, Instagram also provide a data analytic for you. You can use the data analytic to run advertising to promote your product. Next, I'm going to explain to you what is the con using the Instagram in promoting the business. Number one, advertising using link usually are not effective. When you promote using the link, the customer will transfer to the other platform. So most of the customer, most of the user, they don't like to be transformed, to be transferred to the other platform. They want to maintain in the Instagram platform. And then using Instagram also is a very limited audience. So you must very encourage people to follow you. If you don't have a lot of followers, so it takes time to grow your follower, and then at the same time also try to generate income for your business. Using Instagram also take time to update with the current content. For example, you launch a new hashtag or you post something at the Instagram. The information will take time to update. And then mostly people at the Instagram, they not focus entirely on the e-commerce business. When you go to the Instagram, you want to share the picture, you want to share what you do today, you want to share what kind of motivational post. It's not for the doing some sort of business over there. But you can utilize your fan base to influence them to buy a product. Next, you must be active in mobile platform. This is very difficult if you love to do using the desktop. Most of the IG user, you must update the information using your mobile device. And then another cons that I want to share with you, right now you can see that the Instagram, they already hide the like and also the follower. So in the future, you cannot see how many like, how many follower that the people receive. So the Instagram already come out with this new guideline so that they can monitor the social media influencer. Okay, I think that is my presentation related to the Instagram. I will see you on my next slide. Thank you.